gonna stop? Oh. When are you gonna stop banging your head on the glass? That's a thing. Probably whenever the rain's over, and then when the grass isn't wet, because we're plushies, and then we get soaked. The reason we didn't have a video yesterday. And when Yoshi comes back, maybe. The Yoshis are in the wild. We've talked about this. They're not coming back. We can't take care of, 10 Yoshis? But it's so boring. And all you do is sit on the chair with Peach. And you, Toad, and the Toads guard her the whole day while I sit here and I just try to play games. And the only games we have is on the Wii and the PlayStation. It's boring. Well, we have VR, but that gets boring after a while. After you stay up till like 5 a.m. playing it with friends, doing stupid shit. But, yeah. I mean, we could play, some card games, dominoes, board games. Bet. Games. You're a weirdo. Here, let me get the Toads. Because, well, actually, Peach will probably have to play, or at least watch. Because their whole purpose is to guard Peach, but, who cares? There we go, guys. I have the card shuffler, since I don't think any of us can really shuffle cards. I have dominoes, which is what we're going to play first. We have Uno, and we have normal cards if we want to play Goldfish and Cadillac. Yeah. So, Toad, do you mind putting that over there? Yeah, sure. Okay, let's get this set up. I think we have... Mario, I gotta get the phone. I gotta Google how many you give to each person if you're playing with 4. I'll be right back, everyone. Okay, I Googled it. It didn't really give me a response. So, each of us is just gonna get 5, so let me just... Time to shuffle them. Guys, so we have all of our dominoes. Does anyone have the double 6? No. No. Oh, then that goes the double 5, which I have. So, which way are we going? We'll just go Mario next. Okay, Mario, it's your turn. Damn it, I don't have any. Toad, do you mind giving me a domino? Sure. There you go. Okay, there. Hey, there we go. So you got a 1, or a 5 over there, Blue Toad? There we go. Okay. Okay, I can't use that one. You can use all of these. I'm gonna use this one since I just knocked it over, so... Oh, so nothing. Saw nothing. Ooh, I'll leave that. Okay, what about you, Toad? Since Mario just went.
I think, not that one. This one. No, not that one. That one. There we go. What about you, Blue Toad? This one.
Okay. Okay, we need to stop using so many ones, goddamn. Is it over yet?
Nope. Well, actually, yes it is. 'Cause, boom, I win.
Oh, thank God. Sweet, I got it on for like 8 minutes. I didn't know dominoes was so fucking boring, goddamn. The game's 8+, but feels like it's freaking 40+. So boring. That's your opinion. Whatever. I had, a double 1, 1 4.
I had a Double two. 2-0.
I had 1-5 and 0-5.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
What's kind of cool?
Well, we all had two numbers that were the same in our things. You had 2 5s. Technically, Mario has 3 1s and I have 3 2s, but who cares?
Can we play Uno now? Oh, fine. Congratulations. Oh, what were these? So, yeah. Yeah. Let's play Uno. That was actually kind of boring, but it was also kind of fun. Let's get ready. Toad, do you have a blue 9? Let's... better have something. Do you have a 9 or a blue?
Green 9.
Green, huh? Oh, God. Ow. Ow. Okay. Pretty sure this is my green. Yep. Go again, Toad.
Great pleasure.
Actually, you know what?
Reverse.
You're gonna regret that. Well, actually, Mario's gonna hate you for this, but, let's get Mario. Oh. Let's get Mario. Okay, Toad, it's your turn.
What? Okay, let me find my cards. Blue Toad. +2. What? Hold up. Let me see if I can back that up with another +2.
Wait, 3 cards, dang.
Fine. Oh, wait. I have to grab those. Okay, that one's kind of good.
That one's kind of good.
Okay, it's my turn. You know what? I'm going to continue the +2 since I just got one.
Fine. Wait, do I have a +2? Heh. Mario +4.
What?
Let me check. Nope. Please say I have.
Dang it.
Fine. That's trash. That's definitely trash. Oh, that's good. And that's good. Okay. Where'd that go? +2, Toad.
What?
Fine, because I know I don't have another +2. 1, 2. Okay. Wait. Okay, now I go. Let me check through my cards real quick. Reverse. Go again, Mario. With pleasure. Skip Luigi. Okay, Blue Toad, it's your turn.
Oh, okay.
That's not blue. Okay, that's my best choice right now. Yep, that's my best choice. I choose, I didn't really look at my colors. Red. I know I have some red up in here. Exactly. 0. Smart move. 6. Oh, finally I can go again. Reverse. Go again, Mario. Okay. Oh, wait. Uno. I don't want to lose this. Damn it. Why did no one notice? Nope. Nope. Go again, Luigi. That's where you're wrong. I win. Reverse again. It's your turn again. But guess what? It's not your turn because I win. Woohoo! Show me your cards. Since I think I'll get points for that or something like that. Okay. I had a 7, a 0, another 0, a 7, and an 8. I only had 3 cards for half of the game. 9, if I could get the other one, and 8.
And I had, Skip. I don't think that's really a point, but Skip 9, wild card, which I don't know why he didn't use that. I'm stupid. An 8.
That's cool. Oh, it stopped raining. But, y'all want to play Go Fish?
Sure.
Okay, it's going to take like 5 minutes to put these up now. Wait. The losers have to put it up. Me and Blue Toad are winners. You two put them up. What? Come on, Toad.
Okay.
Now we're playing. What was it? Oh, Go Fish. Our last game before we get bored of this, because we've been playing for like an hour now. Well, it'll probably be like an hour and a half when we finish this, but yeah, it takes more time to set it up than anything. And since I'm a winner, I go first. And because I'm a winner, I want to ask the other winner if they have do you have a 5?
Nope.
Ah, dang it, it's your turn, Mario.
Okay.
Let me look at them. Luigi, you got a 5 by chance? God dang it. No, I asked the wrong person. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay, Toad, it's your turn.
Luigi, do you have a 9? Oh, do you have a 9?
Let me check. Nope, Go Fish. I forgot about something. We're supposed to collect cards if we get it wrong. So let me just. And you take that one. Okay, Blue Toad, it's your turn.
Okay. Where's the card? That's not it.
I guess I'll just ask this.
Mario, do you have a 7? By any chance?
Nope. Go Fish.
I guess that's a good card.
Oh, also I forgot when you actually get the answer correct, you're supposed to go again. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah. Oh well. I'll get way more cards, or I will get no cards. I'll get way more questions right. Whatever you say. Yeah, it's my turn now. Let me check. Oh, also I forgot we're supposed to go again if we got it wrong. Or we got it right. So Mario, we kind of just skipped over your second turn. It's fine. I'll get another question right. Yeah, that's the spirit. What up? Yes, for something. Wait, I didn't even check. I didn't even check that. Okay. I don't know. Toad, do you have 3?
Oh, fish.
Ah, dang it. Wait. Okay. Mario, it's your... When did you get 2 cards? Oh, me and Toad checked our cards, and apparently we have matches. Ha! Imagine not having a match. Other winner, you are a loser right now.
Shut up.
Okay. Okay, Blue Toad, do you have a J? Let me check. Not those.
Go fish.
Dang it. Whatever. Wait. Take it.
Okay. Does anyone have... Wait. Blue Toad, do you have a 7? Because I know you asked for one. I knew I should have asked you for that 7. Let me just find... Yep, there you go. Do you have a 9? Let me check. Go fish. God dang it. Okay. Now let me check. Not that one. Not that one. Luigi, do you have a 6?
Ish.
Dang it. Wait, was that a match I saw? Dang it, no it wasn't.
Wait, it's my turn. I don't know how. Okay. Blue Toad, do you have a 2?
Nope, go fish.
Dang it.
check. Blue Toad, do you have a 4? Why? Why do you keep asking me? I'm tired of being asked questions. I'm trying to relax over here. And no, go fish. Dig it. Oh, okay. Do any of you have... Wait, I can't just ask any of you. Luigi, do you have a queen?
Go fish.
Oh, dang it. Toad, I really thought you were going to have a frickin' 3. Ha, well, too bad.
Well, too bad for you. Blue Toad, give me your 3.
What? Fine.
And that ends the game, right? We'll go with that. So check if you have any matches, I guess, in your deck. And then we count all of these and see who won. So the only person in their deck had a match was you. So you automatically lose, Toad or Blue Toad. You have literally 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang it. Got 4. How many do you have, Mario?
5. I also have 5.
Dang it. Toad. Blue Toad. We challenged them too much. Now they are also winners.
Well, we're all winners then.
I guess you're right. We're all winners. I mean, technically you two tied, so it's not really a win. It's kind of like a half point for you, but fine. We'll give you the whole point. So we all won. I won in dominoes. You won in Uno. Wait, no, you won in dominoes. I won in Uno, and y'all won in Goofish. That's a fun day, I guess. I
think the loser should pick up the cards.
Well, I'm not the loser because I have 4, which means I got second place, and y'all both got first. He got last, so you get to pick up the cards, Blue Toad.
Dang it. Oh, fine. Guess that was a fun game, though. Hopefully we can play another day. Luckily it wasn't, possessed like the last game we played, which was Jumanji. We probably need to remake that video one day. I mean, what?
Shh, we don't talk about that video. Okay, I'm gonna go play video games. I can finally go relax now. Come on, princess. And Toads, whenever you come.
Well, I get to come already because you have to pick up the cards, so get to it.